Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to delete an iCloud account. Alright, so first up, we need to go ahead and open up a web browser. It could be in your iMac or Windows computer. So once you're in here, once you've opened up a browser, you can go ahead and go to the URL box, click on it. Now type down privacy.apple.com. Alright, again, privacy.apple.com, and then just hit on enter. Wait for it to load, and then once it loads, it will prompt you to sign in with your iCloud account or Apple account. Just go ahead and sign in. And as you can see here, I'm already signed in. Okay, so after that, all you got to do is just go ahead and scroll all the way down. And then here we have a request to delete your account hyperlink. Or if you want to, you could just basically deactivate your account. All right, so before clicking on request to delete your account, you must sign out of your account on all devices to prevent them from locking up or throwing errors. Again, log out from all of your devices. Now, once that's done, this is optional. You can back up your data, okay, such as downloading any important photos, contacts, documents, or emails to your computer or local drives. All right. And lastly, before we click on this option right here, make sure that you cancel all of your active subscription, such as iCloud or even Apple Music. So once that's cleared, you can now then go ahead and click on request to delete your account. Wait for a new page to load. Now go ahead and read through this. It says here you'll not be able to access your Apple services, your apps or media, and some other features. Now you can go and scroll all the way down and select a reason. You can basically select one option and then just click on continue. All right, I'm not going to do it because I still need my account. But in the next page, Apple will provide a unique 12-digit access code. So you can go ahead and write this code down or take a screenshot. Okay, you will need it if you change your mind and you want to cancel the deletion request before it is finalized, as Apple will review the request for security purposes, and it usually takes up to 7 days, okay? And during which the account remains deactivated but not yet erased. And after the 7 days, you will get a notification from Apple that your account has been deleted. That's how simple it is to delete an iCloud account. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.